So the more plants that you have in your pond, the less problem you have with excess nitrogen. And excess nitrogen means you have algae growing and cloudy water. So aquatic plants are expensive, and I thought, why not experiment with other interesting vegetables like colored lettuce and red Swiss chard. So I've been trying various things. Some things do well with submerged roots, others not so much. But as you can see, these vegetables are thriving, and I have no idea how big they're going to get, but they're certainly helping to take the nitrogen out of the water. So I have basil in the middle, various red lettuces. I have some red Swiss chard that I just put in. I have thyme that seems to be doing okay. Mint likes to have wet feet. Lavender hated it, that died almost immediately. There's some fennel growing in the front as well. So it's just an experiment.